All right, now it's recording. Okay, here's the third video in the stats and probability video series, or the standard for the spring 2019 second semester for Math 3, the spring semester final review. Remember, this is not an all-inclusive list of all concepts or types of problems you may see on the final. You are responsible for studying and reviewing everything we've seen all year long. Okay? So this is a very in-depth question about knowing everything about data distributions and how to describe them. Okay, I want you to know that there's going to be different versions and different answers for your test. So while we're going to answer this question and select all that apply here, you need to do more. You need to do more than just know this. I want you all to know that right now. You guys need to know more than just know this. Okay? So let's talk about this. Let's put this on the same axes instead of two different axes. Let's say data set A is normally distributed. What's the normal thing also called, boys and girls? Starts with a bell curve. That's right. A normal distribution is a special type of bell curve. It has a mean, a mean at 20, and it has a standard deviation of 2. So that means one standard deviation above and below. Can you guys tell me the data point that this is right here? For this one, if the standard deviation is 2, what is this? 18, and what's this one? 22. What's this one and this one? 16 and 24. So we're just going to say right there, it looks like that, right? Oh, that's a very poorly drawn curve. Okay? But this other data set B, is all the way down here at, let's see, 14. I didn't leave enough space. I hope you guys won't sue me. That's 10. And see, that's 12. There's 14. There's 8. And there's 6. Don't worry about this part. Isn't this have a distribution kind of like that too? The separation is 2 for the standard deviation. Okay? Everybody with me? What do we know about normal distributions, first of all? Are they supposed to be symmetric? Are normal distributions symmetric? Everybody say yes. Yes, they are. What do we know about this point for each distribution? What happens right there? Do you guys remember? That's where we find the mean and the median. You guys have got to remember these basic facts about a normal distribution. At the peak is where the mean and the median is. Okay, and it's symmetric. Okay, and this value, both of them have a standard deviation of 2. So let's see if we can answer our question. While they're not identical, do they have the same shape? Everybody agree with that? I drew it poorly, but while they're not identical, do they have the same shape? Yes, they do. They both have the same median. Do they both have the same median? No, they're at different places, so that's not right. They are both symmetric about the mean. Are they both symmetric about the mean? The mean is that point there or that point there for data set B. That one's a yes. Data set A is more spread out than data set B. What about the standard deviation? Does that tell us a measure of spread? Yes. So data set A and data set B have the same standard deviation, so that one's not true. Okay? Remember what we talked about on the box plot up there about interquartile range is around the median. Could you calculate an interquartile range for both of these? Okay, because they both have a standard deviation of 2, the interquartile range is going to be the same. Okay? So you guys have got to go through everything about a normal distribution, be able to answer this type of question and a whole lot more. Alright? That's it for video number 3. Next one is video number 4.